Good evening, ladies.
What's going on, YouTube?
How's everybody?
Got a little pickup for you.
I'd like to welcome
I got the Air Jordan Sons of Mars Cement Low.
I like this young man because
Let me get into the shoe. Here's the side of the shoe. As you can see, you got the elephant print right here from the 3s. You got the bottom of the Jordan 4s right here. And the quality of the shoe is on point. I must say that. The leather is very nice. You got the Jordan 5s that recently just came out. The leather on those are the same leather that is on these. It's like this hard leather. It's hard white leather. And got the elephant print right here on the front of the shoe. And here's the front of the shoe. Got the little Sons of Mars emblem right here. Spike Lee emblem on the other one. Little Spike Lee on the patch right here. 3M tongue from the Jordan 5s. And here's the back of the shoe right here. I mean, if you like Jordan 4s and Jordan 3s, you should like this shoe. The reason behind me getting this shoe is because I can't get my hand on any Jordan 3 because everybody's like taxing on them. They're asking for ridiculously prices on them. But I would not pay, so I settle for these. Bad idea because it's not a bad shoe. That's the bottom of the shoe. I know some of you guys like to wear your shoes with your shoestrings sometimes, so maybe this one like that. Maybe on top a little bit. Here's the other side of the shoe. On the kid and girl versions of this shoe, both sides look like this. They don't have like this little black thing going around the shoe like the men's sizes do. Just to let you guys know that. And yes, this right here is patent leather. It's like a white patent leather. I'm gonna hit you guys with an on-foot review in about 2 seconds. And here is the on-foot review. Money from the power, come to VIP and get a champagne shower. I don't have to worry because everything ours. And I got a big bouquet of Mary Jane's flowers that kush. I promise that's my dude, but we don't smoke that Reggie Bush. And I'm with 2 women, make you take a second look. We poppin' like champagne bottles, but we never shook. And we gon' be alright if we put drink on everything. Can't help it. Hit you guys with some more shoe reviews too. I'll get back at you guys.